Artificial intelligence does not replace me. It helps me to be more free. As a person with a disability who uses augmentative and alternative communication, I know very well the difference between having something to say and not being able to express it with the same speed with which I think it. For this reason, I decided to create a digital avatar. Not because I wanted a machine to speak in my place, but because I wished for technology to help my voice reach further. The ideas remain mine. The words remain mine. The thought remains mine. Artificial intelligence does not replace my identity, my skills, or my preparation. It simply helps me overcome some of the barriers that my physical condition imposes on me every day. But the potential of artificial intelligence goes far beyond disability. If used responsibly, it can improve healthcare, accelerate scientific research, protect the environment, make public administration more efficient, facilitate access to justice, and contribute to building a more inclusive society. The real question is not whether to use artificial intelligence. The real question is how to use it. The most valuable technologies are not those that replace people. They are those that enable a greater number of people to fully participate in social, professional, and democratic life. For this reason, I view artificial intelligence with caution, but also with hope. Because every time a technology helps me communicate better, work better, or exercise my rights with greater autonomy, I do not see a threat. I see an opportunity. I believe that the true success of artificial intelligence will not be to create machines that are increasingly similar to humans. His true success will be helping every human being fully express their potential. To learn more, read the complete legal analysis on my blog Le Pillole di Valeria.